Hi everybody. Hope you all are doing well. I hope that this lockdown is going, good for you everybody and you all are improving in a number of possible ways in which you can improve. So today I'll be talking on the topic is five elements. These five elements are earth, air, water, fire and space. This entire universe is just a play of these five elements. The entire universe which you see, the very existence that is possible on this planet is because of these five elements. We are here on this planet surviving is because of these five elements are in place. This entire body is made up of these five elements. This entire universe, whatever you see around you, is just a play of these five elements. These five elements are extremely important. Your entire body is made up of these five elements. If you don't establish these five elements fully in your body won't function well, right? It's very important that these five elements are fully established and they are well taken care inside your body. So today we'll be talking about how we can really take care of these five elements which are there of our body, how we can really rejuvenate our system with these five elements because they are extremely important. Let's first talk about the element that is earth. Earth sense is extremely important. Yes, the very earth which you walk upon, and it's very important that the element of earth is well established inside your body. You're just walking a little bit with your bare hands and with your palms. If you just walk on a garden or on the earth's bare feet, it will really harmonize your system in many ways. So earth sense can rejuvenate and harmonize your system. It is that important inside your body. Even if you see now people who are the corona warriors, the people who are labor class or farmers, they are very easily getting cured from the corona. The very reason is their earth sense is extremely strong because they are very connected with the mother earth, the farm which they deal with and the villages where they live, the small farms which they have. It is very well connected with you. So it is easy for them to get cured because their earth sense is extremely good. So earth sense actually helps you to rejuvenate your systems. Even there are many Ayurvedic centers or the traditional system of medicine where they just ask you to go and spend some time bare feet inside the park, just walk around, take a half an hour walk every single day so that you can harmonize your system. They will give you a little bit of planting work for half an hour. Just go and stay with the mother earth, feel that soil and just rejuvenate your system. So that is even used as a treatment to cure patients, to rejuvenate their health. So the element of earth is very important. Now let's talk about water. The 72% of your body is water. 72%. So it is definitely the very essential part of your system. The very way you treat water, the very way you approach water, the kind of vessel you keep the water in, it plays an extremely important role. So you must use a copper vessel to keep the water. I am using this bottle. This is a copper bottle which I use to drink water, and I have a couple of more copper bottles which I use. Just let me take a look. The very way you treat water, the very way you drink water, and how you approach water is extremely important. Because 72% of your body is water, and science has proven it, and it is saying that water has a memory. So if water has a memory, it should be treated extremely carefully and it should be treated with all the love. When you drink it with certain sense of consciousness and awareness, and with all the love you take water inside. So that is one element, which is water. We have covered now two elements, the earth and the water. Now let's talk about the fire. So the element of fire, the 6%, no, the 4% of your body is fire. What kind of fire is inside you? Fire of hatred, resentment, aggression, love, compassion, empathy. So it is decided by the element fire. Fire is very much responsible for your physical and mental well-being. Now how can you take care of fire within yourself? So there is, like, one is, you can go into the natural fire, which is a big ball burning up. There is sun, you can just go and take some 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight every single day, which we are not taking these days. And this is the one form of energy which is, not yet contaminated by human beings, so it is the purest form. Another is, like, you can light a diya, just a small lamp inside your room every single day, and you can just burn it. So it will make a worlds of difference into your life. The element of fire is very much responsible for your physical and mental well-being. Now let's talk about the air, the very air we breathe. So air is one such element in which we are in transaction with on minute to minute basis. We are transacting with the air. So we are breathing. So it is very important what kind of air we breathe, how we breathe, and how consciously we breathe, how much of awareness we breathe the air around us. So I can understand the people who are living in cities, it's very difficult for them to get a fresh air. So it is recommended that you must go to, a garden or a park where there are a lot of plants and greenery, so that you can take some fresh air inside your body. So this is how we deal with the air. Even it is recommended, like, if you have kids, you must take them every once a month to a far off place where there are mountains, where there is fresh air, where you can do a little bit of trekking, with your child. It's very good for the child system and the child's development. Even for you, it's very important that you must go into a park, spend some half an hour there, and take some fresh air and feel the freshness inside you. So all these things, they are extremely, extremely important in your life. And now the last element, which is Akasha. Akasha, it's the most dynamic of all, and it's very important. It will actually decide the very nature, the quality, and the power of your life. Akasha is that. Akasha has its own intelligence. It is holding all of us in one place. It's because of the Akasha. Akasha has its own intelligence. So it's like the entire earth is surrounded by this element called Akash, which is holding all of us. So you must go out and just bow down to the Akasha whenever it's possible for you. The element of Akasha, if it comes with you, the very nature, the very quality of your life is decided by this Akashic intelligence. So all I want to say is your entire body is made up of these 5 elements, and now we are so busy in the daily chores of our lives, earning money, cooking or whatever, just doing the daily work, and we have just forgotten to take care of these 5 elements inside our body, which are extremely important. Your body is made up of these 5 elements. This body, it is these 5 elements only. If these 5 elements are not there, the life is not possible on this planet Earth. We are surviving, it's because of these 5 elements. This entire universe is a play of just these 5 elements. If you just see, everything in the universe is just made up of these 5 elements, and it is just in some different permutations and combinations. All I want to say is, please take care of these 5 elements in your body. They are extremely important for you. Just spend some little time, just take a walk in the garden, have a fresh air, just take a little bit of sunlight, bow down to Akasha every day, drink water in copper bottles. They'll make a world of difference in your life. Just do them regularly. Just make it a part of your life. As you brush your teeth every day, all these things should be a part of your life. Thank you so much for watching me. I hope that I can make some difference into your lives and make them better in many ways. Thank you for all your love. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.